The quality of your communication determines the quality of your life. It has rightly been said that once you become an impeccable communicator, you would realize that more opportunities would automatically come to you. You will be in the limelight, you will act as a spokesperson for various brands, you will always be in the leadership position. If there's an individual or if there's an organization who's looking for people who can talk about their work or their business, then you would be the person who would be considered. Whether it is your personal life or your professional life, being a good communicator will always help you. And what if I facilitate the entire process and help you in not just becoming a good communicator, but then also to get amazing results beyond that? Let me make you understand. What we have done is we have come up with a boot camp for you wherein we are providing you step-by-step structured information for your growth. So first of all, we are providing you with amazing tips, strategies, as well as guidance so that you can become an amazing communicator. Then a lot of people also mailed me and messaged me that Rahul, please provide us with a framework so that we can talk fluently in English. So even that has been included inside this particular bootcamp. Along with that, what we have also done is we have realized that there are a lot of people who have become good communicators or who are just on the verge of becoming a good communicator. And that's exactly what is going to happen with you once you become a part of this bootcamp. But then what next? What happens after that is that we don't have a platform so as to represent our own self and monetize it. So what we have also done is, I have also provided you the multiple ways wherein you can monetize your communication skills as well as your public speaking skills. I have also given you the framework to earn more money based upon your public speaking and your personal branding. And more importantly, I have also guided you inside this bootcamp on how to get more results for you, how to get more public speaking assignments for you. So if you look at it in totality, you are being provided with video modules, with the replay of the live workshops. You will also be attending an online training, and all these things have been provided to you in a structured manner so that you speak well, speak effectively, get the attention of people, learn how to monetize your skills, learn how to also get public speaking assignments, because believe me, that's a challenge for a lot of people, and then you monetize it to the next level altogether. Just imagine the amount of content that is being provided to you. If you look here, you will see in the description or on this particular website, you will see the amount of content that is being provided to you, and you will realize how helpful it is going to be for you. So the opportunity is in front of you. Take the dive and become a part of the communication bootcamp. And the best part over here is that today, on the 21st and on the 22nd of December, all the people who become a part of this opportunity on all these 3 days are getting this opportunity absolutely free of cost. I'm not kidding you. I am giving this opportunity to you absolutely free of cost. All the content that you see over here, all the deliverables that I have mentioned during this video are being provided to you without investing any money at all. And you will be given access till the end of the year. But we have very limited positions. I know by now so many of you would have already started becoming a part of this bootcamp because this is going to end really soon. So if you are watching this video right now, and if you are lucky enough to watch this video before 22nd of December 2020, go and register for this program right now. As soon as you would register to the program, the user ID and password would be sent on your email, and everything else, you would be guided on how to go about it. Take the action, become a part of the bootcamp, and I have one more request. Please share this website with other people, with your friends, so that before the opportunity goes away, they can also become a part of this amazing bootcamp for their growth and their transformation. It is my gift to you. Become a part of it right away and do share it with other people. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside the communication bootcamp. Thank you.